Hello everyone, today we'll make some paper crafts. Take a square piece of paper and fold it as shown in the video. You just have to follow the process and look at the video carefully. Then you will get to the end result successfully. Yes, you have to fold it like this. Now roll the corners using the pencil. You will see a flower is ready. Make one more and insert it into the first flower. Again, take a square piece of paper, fold it like this as shown in the video. Yes, you have to follow the process. Fold paper like this. Yes, watch the video carefully. Now open it from one side and you will see a flower is ready. You can make many more of them. Now take a small piece of square paper and fold it like this. You will see the top is ready. Now take a circle and fold it like this as shown in the video and make many of them and stick them together as shown. Stick the first part and you will see frog is ready. You can make many more of them. Now again take a square piece of paper and fold it like this. Follow the process. Fold it like this. Do it carefully with neatness and open it from one side and you will see a flower is ready. Take a square piece of paper, fold it as shown. Yes, follow the process. Do it neatly so that the finishing is there. Yes, we are again making a flower but it is of different type. Now we'll cut the one side of the square like this and fold the paper. Fold all the four corners like this. Follow the process. Now you will see a shape is getting ready. Do the markings and follow the process. Now we will make a handle and stick it onto the top of the shape. Yes, this is a handbag. Now we'll take a small piece of square paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. Yes, like this you have to do it. Wow, a leaf-like structure is ready. Stick them together like this. You will see a flower is ready. Thanks for watching.